Hello everyone, welcome to Code Career with Adarsh. Welcome. If you are a fresher or someone looking for a good job opportunity, this video is for you. In this video, we will discuss one very exciting job opportunity. We're going to talk about the company name, the job role, what the eligibility is, the skills required, the expected salary, and of course, how to apply. We're looking at a full-time role for an associate engineer in quality assurance with a major global company, Corp. And the best part? Freshers can apply. And before we get into the details, please like this video and subscribe to Code Career with Adarsh. Every weekend, I post new job openings and internship opportunities just like this one. So let's start with the company. The opportunity is with Corp. Now, this is a very well-known international leader in media and information services. For a fresher, starting your career at a company like this is a fantastic move. You'll get some great learning opportunities, and honestly, having a big name like Corp on your resume gives it some really strong brand value right from the beginning. Okay, the job role. It's Associate Engineer QA. QA stands for Quality Assurance. This is an entry-level position, which makes it absolutely perfect for starting your career in the tech industry. It's a great way to understand how high-quality software is actually built and delivered to users all over the world. So, the big question, who can apply? Well, this role is really made for freshers and people early in their career. If you have anywhere from 0 to 2 years of experience, you are eligible to apply. And yes, this also includes final year students and recent graduates. So if that's you, definitely listen up. Now, for your education, the company is looking for someone with a BE or a B.Tech degree, or a similar kind of bachelor's degree. A background in computer science or IT is preferred, but they are absolutely encouraging fresh graduates to apply. And where will you be working? The job location is Bangalore, Karnataka. You probably already know this, but Bangalore is a massive tech hub in India, so you'll be right at the center of all the innovation and opportunities. So, what would your day-to-day work look like? Your main responsibility will be to test web and mobile applications to find any issues or bugs. You'll also learn to write and run automated test cases, which is a really valuable skill. A big part of the job is also to report and track these bugs clearly and, very importantly, work closely with the development team to help fix them. Okay, let's talk about the skills you'll need. On the technical side, some basic knowledge of software testing concepts is required. It's also great if you have an interest in automation and AI. And some basic programming knowledge in languages like Java or Python will be really helpful. But just as important are the soft skills. Good communication, the ability to solve problems, and being a good team player are absolutely crucial. Even if you don't have experience, you can apply. A willingness to learn is key. So, I have a question for you. After hearing all that, does this job match your profile? If you think it does and you're going to apply, just comment "interested" down below. It helps me to see what you guys are looking for. Now, about this salary. The company hasn't disclosed the exact figure in the job description, but you can expect the salary to be as per industry standards for a fresher role in a city like Bangalore. The shift timings are also not specified. Just a quick reminder, the official application link for this job is given in the video description. If you are a fresher and looking for an opportunity, please stay motivated. I know it can be difficult, but always remember, everyone has to start one day. Someone has already started somehow, and your day will come very soon. Who knows? This opportunity can change your future. And this really is a great opportunity. So why is this job so good for freshers? Well, first, you'll get to learn very important skills in QA, automation, and even AI tools. Second, you get to work with global teams at a trusted, well-respected company. And third, they offer a strong career growth path with mentorship to help you succeed. So how do you apply? It's very simple. Just 2 easy steps. Step 1, find the link. The official application link is right there in the video description below. Step 2, apply online. Click that link and it will take you directly to the Corp careers page where you can submit your application. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to Code Career with Adarsh. I post new job openings and internships every single weekend. The application link is in the description. All the best for your career. Your time will come.